subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Rosalie Sivileros 13.
I am searching the royal card. Did you see? This is fake. All are fake. Did you see? So to those not yet victim of this card, please be careful, because all of these are fake. Did you see? Some scammers used the Prince Hamdan Fasa's photo and ID. They will take it here. Did you see? So you must be careful. It's been a long time I know about this. I have this card and all of the number are same. So okay, because of the blood covenant, he said, I am really scared because I don't want to die. Okay, so you must be careful, everyone. So you want to see me to post about this card and me also, but they are mistaken to write my name. So okay, so take a look, guys. All of these cards are fake. Okay, all scammers take the card in here. So to all people around the globe, be careful. You just search this. Did you see? They will add, oh my god. So be careful, everyone. So did you see? They are getting the card in the Google, the searching, and then they take it, screenshot, and then they cut. So this is the result. This is very easy. Even in Philippines, they can do these things to destroy or to. So this one. So all are fake. Did you see? So you must be careful, everyone, because they are very, very, very bad. Okay? What is it, man? One phone. So guys, I'm just sharing this to everyone. It's because of my cares, especially to women in TikTok now. So guys, it's really sad, right? But we face the truth. So it's very sad. I am seeing this fake ID. of His Highness. So you see though, FASA ID card, related searches, Prince Hamdan Royal membership card. So it was seeing it here. And also this so many take a look guys. I have so many, I have see many things here. So okay, so I have two phone now, so that is the reason why I know. So I didn't know if this is true.
I hear this all the time. I hear this all.
It's really, really, really bad. Did you say? So cannot see? Yes. So this is it. Wala tuloy. Punta lang kayo sa Google. Okay, ito, United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. Al Falasi Royal Palace, Dubai. Ito pa, may ano pa, may pirma-pirma pa, kunyari. Anak ng tikbalang. Authorized signature, membership, identification. Hamdan Muhammad. Grabe yung scam talaga. Ito makikita nyo ngayon ito kasi i-post ko ito sa aking YouTube channel. Ito yung unang inano sa akin noon eh. Yung unang gustong mang-scam sa akin, ito. Yung ano nila. Ayan. There is no such thing as royal membership cards to meet the prince. As of now, I'm not interested to meet the prince. Okay? Because I know the truth. All of them are not real. They are only need are money. No ending payment. That is the truth. So, okay? Ito. Ayan. May nakasulat dyan na fake. Ayan. So, true po ito. So, bakit ka pa maniwala na tayong mga simpleng tao lang ay dadamputin ng isang prinsipe, makapangyarihan na tao sa mundo? Impossible po yan. Okay? So, ako, sinubukan ko lang kung ano ang buong katotohanan. So, that is the reality of what I'm doing right now. So, ito, dito ako kasi mukhang bata ako dito eh. So, 99, ano na pala? So, ito pa. Makikita nyo yan mamaya because i-post ko ito sa aking Facebook, ay sa aking YouTube channel, pati sa aking Facebook account. So, okay. Pinuuto na. Uuwi na ako dahil gabi na. So, ano ang gusto nyo pang malaman sa aking vlog, sa aking YouTube? So, write and comment kasi gagawin ko po lahat yan. Para ma-share sa inyo yung mga kaalaman ko na nalalaman ko. Diba? Comments lang kayo kung ano ang nyo. Magtanong kayo tungkol sa prinsipe. Huwag kayong magalit dahil hindi ko siya aangkinin. Dahil alam ko na ang buong katotohanan na walang Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai all over social media. I really hate his photos. You know that? Yes. Because he's not the one who used those large of account. And then they will say, sasabihin pa nila na, I am the real friends, the only real account. Ang sarap talagang pangsapukin. Kasi halos lahat sila ay ganun. Ay, bakit na? Naputol na siya. Kasi halos lahat sila ganun ang sinasabi. Na ano daw? Na totoong prinsipe. Kahit hindi. Para lang magkapira. Kasi, pabilhin kanila ng royal card. Ganon yun. Royal card. Pagkatapos ng royal card, kung nagkainlaban kayo sa isa't isa, sabihin nilang, you need to pay the certificate of marriage. At sinabi sa iyo mula ngayon, mag-blood covenant tayo. Pag sinabi mo namang oo, kasi nga ang dali nilang bola, ayun. Ako inaamin ko talaga na nabola ako. Pero talagang sinubukan ko lang kung ano ang buong katotohanan. Alam ko talaga sa umpisa pa lang na to tricod at ito, yeah. Ang dami po niyan. Yan. Yung mga scammer na yan ay dito kumuha sa Google. I-screenshot nila at isend nila doon sa kanilang mga babaeng nabibiktima. Ganon po yun. Sino ito? Ito may mga ano pa eh. May mga sa ano pa, sa mga England. Sa ano yun. So guys, enough na kasi uuwi na ako. So, susunod ulit. Ayan. So, good night.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Rosalie Sivileros 13.
Watch my next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye. God bless.